Showers and storms continue to track across southwest Florida, as you can see here on Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar. But we have a whole batch of storms just sitting offshore, and so we'll continue to see this activity move in and actually increase in coverage as we head through those overnight hours and into our Monday morning. Now, over the last 2 days, we've already seen multiple inches of rainfall accumulate, mainly through our far interior sections. The coastline hasn't really seen too much in the way of rain, but that's all going to change as we head into those overnight hours. And so when all is said and done, many of us will see more than 2 inches of accumulation. And with that quick, heavy rainfall, as well as the fact that we have drought lingering across southwest Florida, we could easily see some flooding develop. So just be aware of that. So we do have a flood watch in place for Collier, Hendry, and Glades counties until Tuesday morning. Now, as we take a look at those rainfall chances, you can see how they're going to be spiking heading into those early morning hours of our Monday. So when you're heading out the door tomorrow morning, take it slow out on those roads. You're going to be running into rain and storms. Just make sure you have that rain gear with you. And it's going to be one of those mornings where if you don't have to leave the house, it's going to be best to just stay inside. Temperatures right now mild. We're at 81 in Lely, 81 for North Naples. Over in Buckingham, we're at 80 degrees, 78 right now in Lehigh Acres, 80 in Sanibel, 80 in Port Charlotte, 80 in Burnt Store Marina, and 78 degrees right now in Boca Grande. Winds currently coming in from the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And as we take a look at those overnight hours, here's a look at that. A surge of rain and storms moving in off of the Gulf, which will continue through our early morning hours. So here's a look around the morning commute. You're going to be dealing with rain and storms, and that'll continue as we progress into the afternoon. We're looking at showers and storms sticking with us through the majority of the day. We'll see a little bit of a break in that rainfall as we head into the late evening, as the focus begins to shift more so towards the East Coast. But that doesn't mean we're going to be dry, as we really won't be drying out until we head into early Tuesday morning. Now, for tomorrow morning, it is going to be on the warmer side, with temperatures starting off in the low to mid 70s. Rain and storms, breezy conditions with sustained winds sitting anywhere between about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And heading into the afternoon, breezy. Temperatures going to be on the cooler side with all the rain and cloud cover. Now, with those storms tomorrow, we do have a low end risk of severe weather. We do have the possibility of isolated severe storms in the morning and afternoon, with the main threats being damaging hail, damaging winds, lightning, and of course that flooding that we talked about earlier. Now, look at your 7 to 10 day forecast. That frontal boundary that's prompting all these showers and storms will be pushing through on Tuesday, so that could lead to a few showers to start the day off, but then dry air will be filtering in, and that's going to leave us with a nice mix of sun and clouds from the midweek onward.